Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing my January 2020 Lashybox, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I figure I should just, because this is such a small box and it doesn't take a lot of time, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys my IPSY Glam bag. That one is the $25 one plus tax. So I'm going to quickly go ahead and share this with you guys. So thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you for understanding, like I said in the previous video. Yeah, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. So my first box is the Lashybox. You guys by now are probably familiar with this. This is a subscription box that I found on Instagram. And I thought, you know what, I want to give this box a try. It's affordable. It is $13.99 a month. But with the shipping, which is like $2 and or so, and then the tax, it comes to 16 and some change on the lower end of the 16, which I think is still a good deal. I will let you guys know that I did go ahead and stop the box for now. I did skip next month's because I just have so many lashes within the time frame that I joined that and they're not getting all used. They're just not getting used quick enough, and so my drawer is completely filling up with them. They're absolutely beautiful. I think that the price that I'm paying for this box is well worth it, but I did put it on a little hold, and as I told you guys in another video, I am going on a no-buy for some time. I'm going to see how long I can go. I'm going to try not to buy for myself up until my birthday, which is in May. It will be my 40th, which is so crazy to me. I can't believe it. Time just goes so fast. It feels like I was just getting married and having my first kid. And believe it or not, that's almost 20 years ago. So, I mean, that's crazy. But anyways, so let's go ahead and get started. So in this month's box, it looks like we have 4 sets of lashes. The first one looks like they are from the Lashybox brand. I have 2 from Lashybox. This one is, they're both 3D silk lashes. The first one is in Sweetheart and then First Date. So this is First Date. Sorry about the glare. I'm trying to show you guys without, it's kind of a glared package, so I apologize. Those look really, really pretty. And you know, I'm going to continue this box this next month, and maybe for a couple of months I might not cancel, but stop it. But definitely any extra lashes that I get, I don't think I would use. If they're too dramatic, I will definitely save for you guys for upcoming giveaways. As I told you guys in other videos, I will do spontaneous giveaways. You'll never know when. So be making sure that you're watching all of the video. I'm trying to keep all the videos down to a minimum so you guys aren't sitting there for a long period of time. But definitely be on the lookout for that and listening, because I will be doing some spontaneous giveaways, and in order for you to know if that's happening, because I won't necessarily label it on my title, but you'll know by watching and hearing. These are from Ruby Mav, I believe, or Ruby May lashes. These are Ruby May 3D. Really, really pretty. And then the last one is from Candy Lashes. These are, where's the name? Pop Rocks, I think is the name. Really, really full, really dramatic, really pretty. And sometimes I can't tell how dramatic they are until I go to put them on, because my eyes aren't super big. So sometimes I'll go and then they're like way up here. Then that's when I know, you know what, I probably should pass these on to someone that would enjoy that. But nonetheless, they are very, very beautiful. And then they also this month sent us a palette from the brand Okalon, I believe. I did see the several options. You didn't have an option to choose your palette. This is not the one I would have chose. There was another one I really wanted. However, this is what I got. And it looks like this. I have not opened it as of yet. It's absolutely beautiful. I don't know whether or not I'm going to keep this. And I say that just because they're not really shades that I gravitate towards. They're absolutely beautiful. I have seen the pigmentation on these from other people doing their swatches, and they are good shadows. This is called the 10 color eyeshadow palette. It looks like that again, but I just don't know if I necessarily need it and if I should keep it. It's beautiful, and I'm still debating. If not, of course, I will save it for a future giveaway for you guys. But yeah, it's a really nice palette, but I don't know if I absolutely need it. And I'm trying to be in a different mindset this year, as I've told you guys, where I don't keep stuff just to have it piling up, but knowing that I'm going to be using it, because I could give it to one of you guys, but also I can give it to friends or family that I know will definitely enjoy it and may not be able to afford it or be able to get it for themselves. So yeah, that's something that I'm thinking about doing. So let's move on to the Ipsy box. Like I said, I get the second one up. It's the $25 box, and with the tax, it's about $27, $28. This one, it looks like is, let's see if that's the name. Feel the Love is the box, what the box is called. It says, wow, you look great today. That shade, it's perfect on you. We want to let you know that you're doing a killer job. We get that life isn't always easy and liquid liner is so hard, but you've totally got this. And just in case you needed to hear it, we love you also very much. So give yourself a big hug. Let's keep in touch. Okay, TTYL, which is talk to you later. Ipsy. That's cute. Definitely a cute little encouragement, because if I opened this yesterday or the day before, that definitely would have made me feel so much better. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull from the top. So it looks like we got a Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. It's super cute, the packaging. It looks like a sweater. Look how cute that is. It doesn't feel like a sweater. It would have been nice if it had that like plush material. I mean, of course, it would have been real messy, but super cute. Wow, this is very cute. I have one of her other palettes, and I like it a lot. Mine actually looks like somebody put their fingers in it. And I know it wasn't myself. It's all dirty. Well, that's not coming off. It doesn't even have the sheet on there that it would normally have covering, but it definitely looks like someone's fingers have been in my palette. I don't know if you guys can tell or not. See right in here, a fingerprint in here. That's so weird. I mean, it's a pretty palette. Definitely all mattes, it looks like. This one is called, why doesn't it have a name? I don't even know what this palette is. Am I just not seeing it or something? I mean, am I? Anyways, yeah. So I don't know if let me know if you guys would email Ipsy and let them know that your palette was touched in. Like, I mean, it's all dirty and everything. I don't know how that is, but anyways, it's a pretty palette. I definitely can't pass it on to one of you guys if I decide not to keep it, because it's been, fingers have been put in it. That doesn't make me too happy. The next thing is the Il Maquillage Ink Liner in black. And it just looks like your standard liner, has a really long tip. I'm not going to swatch it just in case I decide to save that for you guys for a giveaway, because I don't do a ton of liquid eyeliner. This is the Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask from Dr. Botanicals. And it looks like this. It's a 1.01 fluid ounce. I've not heard a whole lot about this. Let's see. It says it has pomegranate extract, which is a high antioxidant, which aims to smooth and brighten skin. It says best results, you can put it in the refrigerator. It says it brings together science, superfoods to create innovative, natural, skin-friendly skincare treatments. It does not have synthetic perfumes, colorants, parabens. I'm going to look this up a little bit more. It is cruelty-free, 98% natural. I've not heard of this before. I have a ton of sleeping masks that I do truly enjoy, so I may keep this for a giveaway. I don't know if I'm going to keep that or not. And then I have this Amateur Matte Belle in Argent lipstick. The packaging is really cute. The color is 206 3 Plays. Looks like that. And I think I'm going to keep this just because I've never heard of this. Wow, this is really nice packaging. Very bulky though. But look at how pretty that is. It's like a cube. I'm trying to show you guys without so much like blinding you. Wow, that's absolutely beautiful packaging. It has these little things, and this is what my shade looks like. Wow, that's really, really pretty. Definitely going to keep that. I love the packaging. Though it's very bulky, it's very, very pretty, very sophisticated. And then I have this little pouch here. I save these for giveaways, to put things, fill them up with things. All right, and the last product that I got was from Lashybox. It looks like it is, let's see. Looks like there's some brushes. Ooh, they're very nice. Let me see. Let's take them out of the packaging. This is the LR334 Angle Contour. Like I said, Lashybox is the brand. Very pretty. Very soft. Very heavy. You know, not like super heavy, but very durable. Wow, that's really, really pretty. I can't wait to use that. You can use it for bronzer. It's very stiff, very nice. Excited about that. And then we have the LR335 Flat Foundation Brush. It's a little, like, not super packed in, but this would be great for powder. I wouldn't use it for foundation, honestly. I feel like it's not stiff enough. Really pretty. And then 3 eye brushes, it looks like. I'm really happy with this. I'm not happy that my palette was touched and fiddled with, but I'm happy with the brushes. The brushes and that lipstick, actually. Let's see. And you guys know that I've been on the fence about canceling Ipsy because I haven't been too happy, but, you know. Okay, so this one is the LR222 Kabuki. That's going to be a really nice brush for, like, concealer. I love using these types of brushes for concealer. And then we have a LR110 shadow brush. I definitely need this type of brush. I don't have many in my collection. I don't know why. That like to pack on that shadow on the end and all of that. And then the last one is LR005 Tapered Blending. It does look like that. And it's just a smaller blending brush. That's going to be real. They're all super soft. They feel really nice. I love the aesthetic of them. Let me show you guys on the bigger brushes because you can definitely see them better. But look at how it has the silver metal here and then the kind of bumpy. These are so pretty. I'm so excited about these. I think that was one of the items I was able to pick. February 24th, it says you get to choose your favorite product on choice, treating yourself to exclusive bundles up to 80% off and indulging in flash sales. You deserve it. So I'm going to be looking out for that. So yeah, definitely happy about everything that I got, but I really wish that this palette was not touched. It does look like someone's fingers are in it. I'm going to email them and just see what they say. Again, I apologize I'm not telling you what it's called. It's just the one that looks like a sweater because I don't see a name unless I'm missing it. The colors are really pretty. They're all mattes. Cute names like Sweater Weather, Fuzzy, Toasty, Cuddle, Chill, Messy Bun. I just wish that the fingers weren't in it. I would definitely clean it. Definitely excited about the lipstick. This liquid liner, like I said, I may keep it, I may not, just because I don't do a ton of liquid liner. I still have one that's still pretty good, so I may keep that for you guys for a giveaway. This hydrating mask, I'm probably going to save for a giveaway as well, just because I have so many already in my collection. But yeah, guys, so this is going to complete this February's unboxings of my Ipsy Glam bag and my Lashybox full box is what it's called. I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you got an Ipsy Glam bag, let me know if you got something different or if we got the same box. I'd love to know if anybody got the same exact box as myself. And if you guys have recently tried the Lashybox, let me know that as well, because I don't know if many of my viewers have decided to give that a try. I told you guys as well that they do have, I get the full box, but they have them even less. They even have a box, I think that's about $10 a month that you can try. That is lashes and a couple other little things. But this is going to end this video for now. I really hope that you guys did enjoy. If you do enjoy unboxing videos, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to my channel, welcome. And for all of those new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for your support. And if you're not subscribed, I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can see more videos from me if you'd like to. But this is going to complete this video for now. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until the next video, I will see you guys later. Bye, guys.